Hey guys, welcome again to another video with Vibrant Style JA. In today's video, I'll be showing you a 1 day old
early this morning,
baby.
guys.
I'm not
Look
sure
at
if it's a him
her,
or
or
if
is
it's a
it,
she, guys. I'm
it's
not
a
sure if it's a
boy.
filly or it's a colt, guys. But it's 1 day old, guys, okay? And it's just resting right now, and that's the mare. The mare loves I don't know if you guys know Coolie plum or Byrit. It's a type of Jamaican plum. And she's loving it, guys. There's a tree right there, and there's a lot of fruits on the ground, so I noticed that she's eating a lot of that, guys, okay? And the baby is resting at this point, but further down in the video you guys will see him or her getting up and walking around and trying to latch onto the breast, but didn't really know what to do, as I noticed it. But eventually he or she will learn, guys, okay? I saw a lot of milk running from the mom as well, guys. Wow, it is so awesome, God's creation, guys. Look at how beautiful the mare is, guys, okay? Look at the beautiful background. And I am at stable, guys, and I got a chance to meet with the mare and her newborn baby. I'm not sure if it's a filly or a colt, guys. You know that colts are the boys and filly are the girls, okay? So I'm not sure. And there's some more mares out there as well, and that is the maternity ward, guys, okay? This is the maternity section. You have the nursery section, different as well, okay? One love again. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vibrant Style JA. And guys, remember to watch out the ads. Tell a friend about Vibrant Style JA. One love again.
Come, baby. Come, little baby. This baby is just born this morning, guys. Look at her. Or him, I'm not sure. Hello. Come. Go get milk. Go get some milk.
at this point now, guys, you notice that the baby is trying to latch onto the mom's breast, but still didn't get to drink the milk, guys. I saw a lot of milk running from mom's breast as well, guys, but eventually the baby is gonna know how to suck on the nipple, guys. Okay, so stick around and see how this beautiful baby filly or colt gonna be growing up so fast. I'll be showing you guys an update of these babies, guys. Okay, so stay tuned for all of those wonderful videos. One love. Guys, look very closely. Now you see a lot of milk running from the mom's breast, guys. Look at that. And the baby still haven't get to taste the milk as yet. Look at that, guys. That is it. And eventually, he or she is gonna learn how to lap and suck and get enough milk and nourishment and everything. You're gonna see all these beautiful babies grow so fast, guys. I can't believe how fast they grow, guys. Okay, but remember to check out my videos because I will be bringing out updates on all of these beautiful mares with their babies. One love. And guys, please remember to subscribe, like up the video, thumbs up the video, share the video, and comment, guys. Okay, one love and thanks for watching. See you guys in another video. Bye. Those things on the ground are called coulis plum, guys, or otherwise called barry. It's a type of plum, a Jamaican plum. And I noticed that this mare, she loves it, guys, and she's eating them up, guys. She's picking them off the ground and she's crunching it, guys. Wow.